This house is cheaper than one car. Hello guys, nice to meet you. This is Alan from House. How are you doing? And now I'm just next to our Glamis product, G70. The total area of our products is for 38 square meters. The length is about 11.5. The height is 3.2 and the wide is 3.3 meters. It will be very suitable for 2 to 4 people to live inside. Okay, so behind me is our smart control system. You can use your voice to control the general AI, and also you can see there are all the switches here. In this capsule house, we divided them into 2 big areas. First here, you can just add a kitchen here and make it into a living room, or you can just put a king-size bed to make it into a bedroom. And the next part, we move to our bathroom and toilet. Inside, we do the wet and dry separated and use the top brand in China. We cooperate with them and use a high quality, tier 1 brand quality to serve you. Also here, we have a mirror. You can just show up in here, do some makeup, and a wardrobe. You can put the luggage or put some clothes here. It will be very convenient. And then we move to our largest room. Here, we just put a wardrobe here too, and you can just check it out. It will be very suitable to put many coats and clothes inside. And also, if you dislike, you can move it to own a bigger place, even put a kitchen here. And this one are the glasses. We just use the triple layer glasses. Inside, we put iron gas to provide a high level of insulations. Of course, they prevent the 80% UV rays. And next, we just move to our balcony part. For the balcony part, you can see, if you like, just open it. Insects prevent, so that you can enjoy the fresh air from outside in summertime. Or you can just open the doors to enjoy a good view with your friend and eat the tea breaks.